Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the error that says, this version of Vanguard requires TPM 2.0. First, you need to enter your BIOS or UEFI settings. Restart your computer, and while it is turning on, press the key for your BIOS. Once you are inside the BIOS, look for the security or advanced settings. Here, you need to enable TPM 2.0. If you are using an Intel system, find an option called Intel PTT and turn it on. If you are using an AMD system, the option will be FTPM. Make sure Secure Boot is turned on in the boot settings. Find Secure Boot, then set it to Enabled. If you see an option called CSM or Compatibility Support Module, make sure to disable it, because Secure Boot will not work if CSM is enabled. Once you have done all of this, press F10 to save your changes and exit the BIOS. Your computer will restart. After your system boots back into Windows, open Valorant again. The Vanguard error should now be fixed, and the game should launch normally. Thanks for watching.